Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ananya. I'm from Bangalore and currently living in Germany. So, today is my first day at university. I did visit the university before, but I just got my ID card and that's it. I couldn't really explore the campus. But today we have a welcome event, basically an intro session, I think about the course and university, all of that. So I'll attend the welcome event and explore the campus. That's it. That's the plan for today. But the main purpose of this video is not that I'm going to my university. The main purpose of this video is that I want to share my experience about how the new German student visa process was. So, about my experience, how it went, how the process is, I will share all the information about that because we all know that from Feb 2025 onwards, the German student visa process was updated, right? And there's a completely different process now. So, I will share my experience and I really hope that it helps because when I was applying for my visa, I really wanted to ask someone about the whole process, but I did not find anyone because I think the students who applied for the winter intake 2025 were the first batch of students who got to experience the whole new visa process, and I'm one of them. So I did experience it and I would love to share my experience and I really hope that this is helpful. Okay, so now I'm going to have my breakfast, some fruits, coffee, and I will get ready, go to the campus.
The 104 room, which was like the silent meeting room, I think, has now also like these online meeting spaces. And now
Hey guys, just finished with the welcome event, and after the welcome event, we had refreshments. Hey guys, I'm back home now and let's continue talking about the visa process. So, I got my visa in just 7 days. I got my visa in the month of July 2025, and right after I got my visa, I shot a video telling about the new visa process and I have explained how my experience was. So I will add that clip right after this clip and you guys can watch. So let's time travel back to July 2025. I finally got my visa. I got my visa yesterday afternoon. Yesterday was 22nd July, and I got my visa just within 7 days. My on-site appointment was on 15th July. So I'm super happy. I'm here to share my visa experience because we all know that the German visa process is changed from 2025. There's a whole new process. So when we used to apply for visa before, we used to first book appointment. We used to get a date, then we used to go to the VFS center on that date, and we used to submit all our documents. The documents would be verified, then they would take our passport, our biometrics. This was the process, but now it's completely different. There is a website now which is called the CSP portal, and if we have to apply for a visa, we must first register ourselves in that website, and later we have to submit all our documents and fill out certain forms on the website. Those documents will then be verified, and if there are any corrections, they will give the update. They will send you a mail also that so and so things must be corrected, and if they need any extra documents, they'll also update you that, saying ki we need extra documents. So you can do all the corrections, you can submit the extra documents and again click on submit. So your documents will be submitted. It took 2 to 3 days for them to verify my documents. So within 2 to 3 days they'll verify your documents, and then only after your documents are verified you will get the option of making an appointment. So I also submitted all my documents. I basically first registered myself and then filled out all the forms and then submitted my documents. Also, when I applied, I used one video as a reference. I will put the link in the description. This video is enough. It's very helpful if you want to fill out the forms and how to upload the documents in the website. You can watch this video. I submitted my documents, and then after my documents were verified, they sent me a checklist. So when you go to the VFS center, you need to take certain documents. You need to take only the documents mentioned in the checklist, okay? And they also gave me an option to make an appointment. So I made an appointment, I got a date, I went to the VFS center. So this was my experience at the VFS center. So when I went to the VFS center, the workers there did not know about the new visa process. They kept on asking me for bachelor's degree certificate, for all the documents, and I kept on telling, no, there is a new process, new visa process, and the documents are already submitted, and I don't need to submit those documents here. So then I told him, please call your senior, I will talk to them. And thankfully the senior came, and the senior knew about this new visa process. So then she was like, okay, you can submit the documents that are there in the checklist. So I submitted these documents, and then I gave my biometrics, and right after 7 days I think I got my visa. So this was my experience, and according to me, this new visa process is very quick
because all the documents are already verified in the website. You only need to provide 2 to 3 extra documents when you go to the VFS center.
I think since all the documents are already verified, it doesn't take much time to verify those extra documents. So you will get your visa quickly. This is what I felt. And also another thing, the timing doesn't matter. When you book an appointment, you will be allotted a time. My time was 11:30. I was there at the center at 11, but they made me wait till 12 o'clock, and then I got to show my documents. So timing doesn't really matter. So this was my experience, and this is how the new visa process is. So not a lot of people will know about this new visa process. So if you go to the VFS center and they ask you for documents, tell them that my documents are already submitted in the website and they're already verified, and I just need to submit the documents that are mentioned in the checklist. You can tell that and they will understand. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful. Hey guys, it's me again, Ananya, in October 2025. So I really hope that the video was helpful. Thanks for watching this vlog, and if you guys have any doubts, you guys can comment or DM me. So yes, that's it for the video, and I will try to be consistent. I have no idea how many videos I'll be uploading a month, but I'll try my best to be consistent on YouTube. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. And if you like my videos, then do like them, share them. And if you haven't subscribed, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.